Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to decrease display size. Display zoom. Some different devices call different names. So how to do it in Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. You can see here my display size is increased and text also increased. So how to do that? Open your menu, then go to settings application, then scroll up and select display and touch. You can see here and scroll up. Then you can see option of display size and text. Open that. Then you can see two sliders. First one is font size, second one is display size. If you are interact with display size, you can see that will be decreasing and you can select different levels. So I am set to do this one. So it will be increase display size, that means icon size, and also the text size. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and you can easily control your display size from here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.